Good morning, everybody. I got to give a few updates here before I get started in training today. Got to do a fit test for masking, and then it's a write day, so that's good. Computer lab day, and I'm all completed with that, so I get to write. Which leads me into everything so far. Signatures here this morning, we're at 911 for the International Criminal Court challenge for prosecutors to look at freedom of religion versus freedom of movement. Was it acceptable for what they did to Pastor Coates over government officials doing freedom of movement through the entire pandemic? We're going to find out. We're going to see if they take that case. Need 1,000 signatures. It's important. Trying to get to that line in the sand here, so keep it coming, guys. We're almost there. Number two, I have a presentation to do for Oxford, an entry for the Law Journal. So the rest of this week, I'm going to be writing. That's going to be my status. So I'm going to be a little bit quiet this week as I have a tremendous amount of work to do there. I'm only at 15%, and I need to do more writing. So that's going to be the focus of this entire week, and I'm going to do that. We'll have tremendous downtime. Going on from that, I'm going to do another presentation hosting Richard Albert for a group live. I'm going to do that here next week at a hotel. So I'll be suit and tie, and I bought a projector this weekend. So I'll have Richard live on big screen for everybody. I'll shoot it Facebook Live, and you guys will see another presentation. So that'll be Facebook Live, as well as I'll be able to save that for a YouTube video as well. But it should be a good treat for Facebook, as a lot of people missed Zoom. So I'll log into the Zoom, and then I'll run the Facebook Live as well. So should be pretty awesome, guys. Yeah, I got another device too, so I'm kind of ready to go since I forgot my laptop. I didn't bring that with me. That's okay. It's good. I got out to Brampton yesterday, and I was able to get to a pawn shop that's much like the pawn shops in Alberta. You don't see that in Toronto area so much, but Brampton, I sure found one. I was pretty happy with that. Even found two big podium speakers, so I might go back next payday for that. We'll see how the budget suits. And then it's on to Ottawa next weekend. So next weekend I'll go to the Parliament. I don't know what they have for presentations there or not. It's going to be kind of just putting my feet in there. It's not like it will be the first time I'll go. I'll go again after that. But that's where we're at. So look forward to everybody. This next week coming should be really exciting. In April, like I said, it's going to be another live presentation. This one will be Facebook Live for all of you, so you can get a feel of what we're doing here with provincial constitutionalism, why it's important. Hear from one of the world's best of the best. Just a small taste as we get up and running here of world expert, renowned experts that nobody can really dismiss. A lot of the work I'm doing is based on this. I've been doing this for 2 solid years out at many, many renowned universities in the world, more than half. And I have all kinds of experts that can present in native languages for all of our minority groups here in Canada. So that's the goal of the CCP. Educate. We're going to take people from every party in Canada. You, the people, give you the power and real codification, something you've never had before. We're going to look absolutely beyond that, beyond Richard's provincial presentation. There's also a federal presentation for amending and redesigning Canada, removing all of the colonial power that absolutely strips all of you of all your civil charter rights and freedoms. And we can also explore adding a whole pile too on the federal side that we don't have today. Thirdly is also going to be more presentations all at the same time as all of these combined. We're going to give the option to the provinces that are not happy in Confederation. Look at it that it can't be fixed. If the federal system can't be fixed and we can't get elected, at least roll out a how-to on separation and becoming your own nation. How it's done, how 85 other countries did it. the pitfalls, the trials, the tribulations, what to codify, what not to, why, what's important, what's worked, what hasn't worked, and how to, in an historical, accurate representation of what you need and what you got to watch out for, because other nations have gone several routes and it's backfired in their face over the last even upwards of 70 years plus. So I look forward to that. A lot of people reaching out from Edmonton, Alberta. Dennis Chenard, that's the go-to. That's who you communicate with. There's Brenda Terscheran. There's Dennis Woodrich down south Alberta. Les Marks, just south of Edmonton. He can cover a lot of area there. We have Josh Toy. He's a little bit more north to Leduc. And I'm still working out, as shutdown season goes, to get sheets sent to Fort McMurray region. We were lucky to get into Grand Prairie, and hopefully with some of the people signed up, we can get them on signature sheets too. If you want to get into the party, that's how. I see it's 1:45. Gotta let you all go. Time to start my day. Have a great day. Get it shared out with all the members. This is a good video for everybody. Watch for stuff coming in the next couple weeks. Gonna get exciting. University of Toronto, Ryerson. I'm going to set up a little stage there right at the faculties of law. We'll see what we can do with the students there. Look for those too. Thanks, guys. Bye.